Welcome to Idency's Becrypt overview video. I'm Luke, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to the Becrypt Data Protection Suite. We'll go through the main features and benefits of each product and then show you how the management system works. Becrypt Protection Suite consists of these three products: Disk Protect for full encryption of your hard drives, Connect Protect for managing all USB ports and what happens when devices are connected, and finally mShare to allow your users to turn any USB flash drive into an encrypted storage device. These three products can then be managed by your administrator centrally using Becrypt Enterprise Manager. Let's start with Disk Protect. Disk Protect provides full disk encryption. It encrypts every section of your hard drive, preventing unauthorized access to any of your files. Strong user authentication ensures that those files are unreadable and useless to anyone but you. Before Windows even begins to load on your computer, Disk Protect will kick in, and only when you've authenticated yourself will your computer boot up and your hard drive be decrypted. And the best bit is that it doesn't slow you down at all. Once you've logged into Windows, Disk Protect operates transparently, with the ability for all standard applications to be used as normal. It's ideal for businesses of any size and simplifies data protection in line with industry and governmental policies, and importantly helps with GDPR compliance. Features, benefits and USPs. Independently certified by National Cybersecurity Centre, UK-based telephone and email technical support, simple central management, avoids complex installation, proof of compliance capability. Disk Protect has three versions: Standard, ideal for most general users, a full disk encryption solution to protect data at rest held on desktops, laptops, tablets and servers from theft or loss. Enhanced is CAPS approved to handle protectively marked data to enhanced grade. CPA, a commercial product assurance approved full disk encryption solution for desktops, laptops, tablets and servers to protect official data from theft or loss. Connect Protect is Becrypt's port control solution. You have USB ports on your computer. Once plugged in, flash memory sticks, cameras and mobile phones are commonly used to steal your data. Connect Protect can protect you and your business or organization against this data leakage. It provides simple and efficient access control options for you to define what should happen when certain devices are connected via a USB port or other peripherals. How it works, put simply. Connect Protect uses filtered drivers to allow or deny access to devices, flash memory sticks, Bluetooth, etc., depending on the policies that you define. Connect Protect can also make use of Active Directory group policies, allowing simple and familiar management of the product and the policies across organizations. mShare can turn any standard USB memory stick into a secure encrypted device. It's an easy and cost-effective solution to USB encryption. mShare allows you and your colleagues to access data securely from any location while still protecting your business should the device be lost or stolen. mShare also allows you to monitor the data being transferred to and from the device, allowing audit capabilities and compliance, regardless of where the data is being accessed. Becrypt Enterprise Manager is the central management suite that enables you to control and audit your suite of Becrypt data security products: Disk Protect, Connect Protect, and mShare. It gives you full visibility and control of your employees' activity. Becrypt Enterprise Manager enables you to easily create and apply policies, carry out fast risk assessments in the event of a lost or stolen device, easily address problems such as forgotten passwords, set up and quickly deploy the Becrypt Protection Suite to your users, offline passwords recovery. Becrypt Enterprise Manager collects information in real time from Disk Protect, mShare, and Connect Protect. This can then be all reported with auditing events such as password changes, key requests, and user recovery are all logged centrally and can be viewed by multiple authorized administrators from multiple locations. Key specifications, full visibility and control of user activity, fast risk assessments, user-friendly views of licenses, quick view deployed security products, proactive notifications function. So there you have it. This was an Idency overview of the Becrypt suite of security products and the management software to administer them. I've hopefully given you a flavor of what they could do for you and the security of your business. If you would like more information or you're interested in adding Becrypt to your systems, please get in touch with our Becrypt accredited engineers who will be happy to help. Thanks for watching. I've been Luke for Idency, securing your digital world. For more regular updates just like this, please click that subscribe button, and to find out more, go to idency.com.